In this quick video, I will show you how to take partial profit on Bybit step by step. So the first step is to go to bybit.com, then log in using your Bybit account. Once you have logged in, go to derivatives, and for this video, we're going to trade on USDT perpetual, and I want to trade on Sol USDT. And for the sake of this video, we're going to open a position, and I'm just going to lower the leverage to ×1. Click confirm, and then type down the amount of SOL you want to trade. Then you can choose limit market or conditional option, but for this video we're going to use market option, and type down the amount of SOL you want to trade. For example, I want to trade 50% of the assets I have. Click sell short, click confirm, and if you want to take a partial profit, you can just click the market here, and you can choose 10%, 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% of your profit. And for example, I'm going to take 50% of my profit. Just click confirm here. And as you can see, the order submitted was successful. And you can see it here on the close PNL. And you can see it here. If you have any questions about how to take partial profit on Bybit,